Look at that paper. Is it a steak? What is it? What could it be? Oh my no. Oh my no. Oh no my. Something like that. Look at that. Look at what that is. Yeah. Made in the USA. Now look at that spiffy little presentation box. Ooh, elegant. They didn't skimp on that. Got me a little pamphlet. I'll give you the honors. Look, plastic. I think I see some carbon fiber under there. Carbon fiber everywhere. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That has a nice feel to it. Right out of the box. Wow. Let's do that again. Right out of the box. Look at that. That is a 4.5-inch blade. Right here, they have PR5. Right there, PR5, number 416, I think it is. If I can. Wow. That's a handful, but that's a, you know, I didn't think, I never was fond of these things, whatever they may call them, but I mean, that's just simplistically beautiful. You notice it's missing something? It doesn't have a pocket clip. Look at that snap. Nothing fancy on the blade, you just have Protect USA. Nothing on the other side. Just a pretty blade. And boy, look at that point. I mean, that point, that's a needle. It's 4 ounces. The steel is 154 cm. I'm impressed. I like that. You know what that's meant for? That's meant for stabbing people. And my damp paper. Look at that.